Looking to add some excitement to family game night? Try Spicy Uno, a fan-created twist on the classic Uno that requires only a standard deck of Uno cards. This version encourages more interaction among players and can be easily modified to suit your group's preferences. Key rules include slapping the deck when a 6 is played, maintaining silence when a 7 is played, and trading hands when a 0 is played. Players can even play out of turn if they have an identical card, and stacking draw twos can lead to hefty penalties for the next player. Additionally, players can ask for help when they lack playable cards, but trust your fellow players wisely. When you win a hand, sign your last card to create a personalized deck filled with memories. Set up the game by dealing 7 cards to each player with the option to use multiple decks for a longer game. Enjoy the fun and creativity of Spicy Uno.